How you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Door. Today we're going to show you the Haas 780 in cool black. That's right, I said cool black. Did you ever see something so cool? Probably not. But here in Innovative Garage Door Land, we always got the cool stuff, right? We accommodated this door with 13 ball nylon wheels and an 8360. Let's have a listen. Sweet. This thing here's got 2-inch thick. Okay. It's got about a 16-17 R value. Insulated windows and all 14 gauge hardware. 35,000 cycle springs when the light adjusts. There we go. Those are 37-inch springs. Okay. Windows look good, nice and clean on the inside, nice and black on the outside. Excuse me, nice and cool black on the outside. 8360. Okay. This is a great door. Cool black. Gotta love it. So for all your Haas garage door needs, call Innovative 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Visit us in person at the showroom at 650 Ogden. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Haas Cool Black garage door video.